Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So this is a video on employee onboarding use case. So I will be showing everything right from the scratch, and you can learn each and every step how you can do this particular use case. And I have actually elaborated everything about this use case in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, I would highly recommend you to go and watch that. So let me just show you how you can find it out. So this is my channel's page. So this is the first video that I'm actually talking about employee onboarding use case. So this use case video will make you understand like what we are actually doing. So as a part of that use case, the first step is going to be downloading all the offer acceptance employee details Excel sheet that has been sent by the users. So just take 5 minutes of time and watch over this video. That will be a prerequisite to understand what we are doing in this particular video. So firstly, after we are getting all the employee details from all the employees who have accepted the offer, so I'm going to show over here. So these are the employee details Excels that I have got. So for reference, I'm going to show you how the sample would look like. So this is the sample. So this is how the sample would look like. The employees would be sending out all their details like first name, last name, email, contact, total years of experience in the previous organization name. So these are the details that we want to enter into our systems, right? So firstly, we can see in the Gmail that we have got the offer acceptance. So if you see here, so today I have got 1 2 3, and also here I'm having the fourth one. So what my robot is going to do is it's gonna pick the it's gonna go over all these emails on a daily basis. So today it's gonna take out all the offers that are there with this particular subject, and it's gonna download all these particular. Let me show you. So this is the mail, and it's gonna save this particular attachment. So that is what my robot is going to do. I'm gonna keep it unread, mark as unread. So let's build a workflow how we can do that. So firstly, I have actually created the workflow for the demo purpose, but I will recreate everything right from the scratch. Okay. So for that, let me take a sequence. So save attachments. Okay. And from there I am going to get all the messages, right? So if you haven't watched how you can actually read through all these mails and get the attachments, I would suggest you to watch this particular video. So on my channel you can find how you can use get IMAP mail messages, this video as well as this video application specific password required. This particular error is gonna come. If you don't know how you can resolve it, you can watch that video, but I am going to show you how we can read the mails here. So take get IMAP mail message. So I have clearly explained everything in that video. So port is 993 for IMAP, and the server is, I'm going to use imap.gmail.com. So once that is done, what are the things that I have to provide? I should provide the email and as well as the password. Okay. So I'm going to provide my email at gmail.com. Okay. And also the password. So here you have to provide application specific password. So I have already generated application specific password. I have it over here. It's not your Gmail password. You have to provide application specific password. Okay. So this is my application specific password, and it's gonna be different for you, and whenever you generate it's gonna be that. But here I'm going to show you because I'm gonna delete it anyway. after this video. But if you wanted to use your mail, you have to generate application specific password. I have explained you clearly how you can do that in this particular video. You can just get that information. I will link this particular video link also here over the video, and also in the description also you can find that particular videos link. Do check out that, because for any of the a Gmail, if you wanted to access, you have to provide application specific password for the security reasons. Only then it's gonna work. And also, I have shown you what are the other settings that you have to do. Also, I have shown you. So, one more prerequisite for you is, if you're facing any issue, just go and watch this first video and this video. Two videos has to be watched to understand and come out of this particular use case without any issues. So after that, I'm gonna take the top 30. Let's say if my flow is not so high, not going to 100 mails per day, then 30 would be fine. And once after I retrieve this particular mails, I'm gonna give the name as mails. Okay, I have all the mails over here. So now this particular thing gonna retrieve all the mails. So let's do one thing. I'm gonna take a message box, and this message box contains the count of the mails. Okay, mails dot count. So this gonna retrieve me how many mails it has taken. Okay, so just debug this, and we'll see how this is actually running, if it's going smooth without any issues. So the process has started running. So it's gonna take a little bit longer time at get IMAP mail messages, because it's gonna read through all the 30 messages, and it's gonna take the 30 here. Okay, because we haven't filtered anything as of now, so it's gonna filter and it's gonna get it. Okay, so if you see 30, it has retrieved 30 mails. Okay, okay, cool. So once after that is done, what is the next thing? We want only the mails which are having the subject as offer acceptance or build your robots. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take if condition here, just pull it into your sequence, and here we know the mails are there, right? But we wanted to check each mail at a time, correct? So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna iterate it through all the mails. So for each, take for each, and in that particular mails, I wanted to validate each mail at a time, right? So this is just a variable. So just make sure the type of this is system.net.mail.mail message. Okay, it has changed automatically. Um, I'm just trying to pull if condition into this for. Okay, yeah. So what I'm going to check in that every mail message, mail dot subject. Subject is something that I'm looking into. If that subject contains offer acceptance, okay. If it contains offer acceptance, and only then I am going to go inside that particular mail message. I'm interested in that. Okay. So here what I'll do, I'm gonna put a message box and say offer accepted. Okay. So this is that particular mail message. Okay. So once after that's done, just this. Okay, there are no issues. I'm going to debug this file, and we will see in total how many offers are there. Okay, so those many offer accepted message boxes would be popping up. So the process has started execution. It is running, and as said, it's going to take a little time here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the number of messages from 30 to 10 just for the time being because it's taking a little longer over there. So offer accepted 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's the 4 offers that are there. So, and after that 30, which is the last message box that's there. So I'm going to change this to 10 because it's taking a little longer for us. So before to that, I'm going to do one more thing here. Within 10, if I can just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13. We have 13. Okay, so let me just make it 15 because otherwise that mail wouldn't come inside the scope. So fine. So after that, our main requirement is to save the attachment once it finds the mail with that particular subject, right? So I'm gonna delete this or let it be there, and I'm gonna save the attachment. Okay. Okay. Um. So here I'm gonna save it. Okay. So let's come over this place, and what is the exact thing that you wanted to save from that particular mail, right? From that mail, you wanted to save folder path. What is the folder path that you have to give? So if you see here, I wanted to save it inside the project folder. Okay. So I have created a folder which is employee folder. So I will just delete these things inside it. Let me select all this and delete. Okay, so I have deleted the previously existing folders, and now I have just one folder, employee folder. Okay, so I wanted to save it under employee folder. That's the full path because it is inside my project folder. Okay, so employee folder. So to this folder I wanted to save. Let's keep this here. Done, right? So once after that's done, what is it? Okay, let's save the attachment here. Attachment, and I'm gonna debug. If at all you wanted to use that attachment anywhere in the file, you can use it. So I'm running the process. It's gonna go read only the 15 messages now. So it will not take that longer like earlier. And it's gonna come to the if condition, if there is a subject that it finds with offer acceptance. So if we can see here offer accepted. So just say okay, and before to that, just go to project folder, just refresh this, and you can find employee details. So this is the attachment that's there. Second one. Okay, just refresh it. Third, and then the okay. I think there is any it has read only 15, right? So let's go over here and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 13th. This is 13th, but still it couldn't read the mails. Maybe something else has come up here. No. Let's check. Okay, it has read only 3. Let's look into that portion as well. Offer acceptance. Is there any other subject? No, it's the same. Okay, let me look into that part. But it has read only few messages, I think. Okay, so we can see the 3 attachments got downloaded. Otherwise I can just increase this to more, and see, or whatever the issue that is, I'm gonna address that in the next video. So we can see here all the attachments got downloaded, right? So let's check if the attachments are as expected. The three different attachments should be there, right? This first one, Chandler. Then we have Monica. And then let's look into this one. Okay, it has the same name. Let's close it and open. Okay, I think I've sent the two. Let's open one by one here, okay? After closing each thing. Okay, the other one is Rachel. I could see here, Rachel, right? So we have three different downloads that we got from that particular mails. Three different attached mail employee details Excel sheets, right? So this is how you can actually download. So let me just show you what all we have discussed in this video. First, we have used get IMAP mail message, and we have done two different things here. One is giving the host details, and other one is taking up the this information is important, log on information, which is email and the password. So here the password is app specific password. And after that, we have collected everything into mail, and for each mail we have checked the subject, and we have taken the message box, and we have saved the attachment. Okay, the attachment has to be in the specific project specific folder. So this is how we have done. So if you're facing any issues like setting issues or something, just watch the previous videos. I'm going to give them in the description. The links will be there in the description. Otherwise you can just check it out on my channel as well. So that's all in this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can actually forward to the next step, which is reading through each attachment and filling up the form and getting the employee ID and employee mail ID. So I will give you access to that particular website also that I have created. So you can just access and work on your inputs as well, that it works. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Do subscribe to the channel and also like the videos. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.